Hidden in the Green Mountains of Ismayilli District, about 160 kilometers from Baku, there is a village that feels like a living museum, Basqal. The road to Basqal already prepares you for the story. The landscape becomes softer, the mountains closer, and suddenly the modern world seems to slow down. You arrive in a place of narrow stone streets, old houses, springs, mosques, artisan corners, and quiet courtyards. A village where every wall seems to carry memory. Basqal is today a state historical cultural reserve, known for its fortress remains, ancient neighborhoods, bazaar square, historic bath, mosques, and streets paved with river stones. But Basqal is not only architecture, it is tradition. For centuries, this village has been one of the spiritual homes of kelaghayi, the traditional Azerbaijani silk headscarf. These delicate scarves are made with silk, natural colors, and stamped patterns, using a wax-resist technique similar to batik. The art of kelaghayi is deeply connected to the old Silk Road and has been recognized by UNESCO as part of Azerbaijan's intangible cultural heritage. In Basqal, kelaghayi is more than a beautiful object. It is a language. A scarf can speak of elegance, family, celebration, identity, and memory. Its colors and patterns carry meaning. It was worn by women in daily life, in ceremonies, in weddings, and in moments when tradition was not explained. It was simply lived. Walking through Basqal, you feel that craftsmanship here was never separate from life. The village was shaped by hands that wove silk, carved wood, built stone walls, carried water, prepared bread, opened shops in the bazaar, and passed knowledge from one generation to the next. The old bathhouse tells another part of the story. It reminds us that village life was also built around meeting, conversation, and ritual. The mosque, the springs, the bazaar, and the homes create a map of community, a place where daily life, faith, trade, and craftsmanship all met in the same narrow streets. What makes Basqal special is that it does not try to impress you with size. It wins you through atmosphere. It is the sound of footsteps on stone, the silence of old wooden balconies, the smell of mountain air, the feeling that people here did not just live in history, they created it through small, repeated acts of beauty. Basqal is one of those places where Azerbaijan's soul becomes visible. The legacy of the Silk Road, the dignity of village life, the patience of artisans, and the quiet pride of a culture that has survived by being passed from hand to hand. To visit Basqal is to understand that heritage is not only kept in museums. Sometimes it is woven into silk, carved into doors, preserved in streets, and carried by a village that still remembers who it is.